Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sagar Dulal, and today I'm going to give you presentations about Senior Connect. This is an IoT device that is used to ease the life of an elderly peoples. Now, without any delay, let us go with the further presentation. In these presentations, I will describe brief about all kinds of the innovative ideas that were required in order to develop the product, the business model canvas, and the concept drawing, the ethical and socio-economic consideration, the tools used, and the further scope. So this is going to be a very short and sweet presentation that will encompass all the features and all the features that is onto the applications. So Senior Connect and IoT system that is used for elderly people, and this is basically made with a key purpose to ease their life and enhance the quality of life of the elder people. The application includes reminders, safety, entertainment, connectivity with social groups, health monitoring, independence. So these are some of the major key factors, non-functionalities that we have kept in account while building the application. So looking at the business model canvas, we can see that these are our major value propositions, and our customers are certainly our elderly peoples. And for this, we can just we have various kinds of channels from which we can generate the revenue, like from the medical institutions, governmental aid, public awareness program, social media. Are these are our major channels, and we can generate our revenue stream from the device sales, subscription for features, advertisement revenue. Now, our key resources will include of healthcare provider, device sales, one-time device sales, subscription features, online marketing, health company advertising. Our key activities will be like the device manufacturing, design and development of the software, maintenance of software, marketing campaigns. And our obviously our key partners will be software development team, IoT device suppliers, sensor technologies, healthcare providers. So from this we can see that this has specifically been designed in order to design the systems that is particularly for the elderly peoples. Has a simple illustrative and graphic diagram of how the system actually looks like. So it is just a simple, like the simple, a little bit rectangular remote types of things, which is very easy and convenient to grab and take a control of. Here you can see that it's an emergency alert trigger button, which will be triggered when pressed for few times. It's a system, and there is an alarm buzzer, like similar. There is a volume up and down. There is a menu through which the application can be navigated, and there is also like the navigation buttons, and there is also the audio recognition sensors through which they can just give a command. And on the back side, there is just a sensor for monitoring of the heart rate and blood pressure, so that if there is any kinds of changes, it can be immediately be reported. And in case like there is any kinds of problems and turbulence with the old peoples, and if they fall down suddenly or some kinds of things happens, then this sensor will be automatically be able to detect and send out the buzzer to the nearest persons or the caretaker person who has been linked to the applications. So, and this is a very simple concept drawing that I have presented here, and it has just shown that emergency call, family call, entertainment, health, reading, and so on. So, ethical and socio-economic considerations about this: accessibility and affordability. This is accessible for everyone, publicly accessible for every elder people in every household, might be like people living in their household or aged kids or hospitalized peoples, any peoples. And it is also quite affordable that even a normal household peoples can easily afford it. And so it has also a great community impact because this help has been done in kinds of our community for an elderly people who has been always been neglected from the society on various factors. Elder people decisions are not taken into consideration for major people of the time, and there has been various less kinds of things that has been developed to in order to aid in them and provides a better quality life for them. This is also help to for job creation and skill development, because lots of people will have to engaged into this, from developing of the software to from the marketing to the public awareness to the talking, like those who actually go out there and have sales. So all of this will create very nice job creations and also enhance the skill development of the people, because they have to get linked with the IoT devices, as many people are not familiar with the IoT devices. In the current scenario, they are only familiar with the smartphones, laptops, or some kinds of normal accessibilities, but many people do not use the Internet of Things. So this will also give a great skill set development, and it has also become our social responsibility to take care of the elderly people. And I think that this is also one of the major factor that we must consider it, because the elder peoples, the who are living now currently, are the ones who have built this whole place around us for us. So it also becomes our moral and social responsibility in order to do something to that will greatly ease their life to next level from which it is current. We can just shift from this uncomfortable life to a very comfortable one. So education and training, many people need to be educated and many trainings needs to be done, should also help create a massive impact on the literacy as well as the technological skills that is necessary. The future scope of these applications is very high. These applications were just built upon the fundamental concept looking at the peoples, the elder peoples, who has been disregarded, and more than disregarded, we can say it, who has been separated from the whole community. Like only the people with some kinds of a medical disadvantages are getting a very high medical treatment, but the people who are living in their home with their families are not getting that much kinds of attentions or any kinds of a medical service and reminders, like these are the problems with the people who are living in their family and who are living with a healthy and happy life. So this will particularly help, this application is going to particularly help with them, and the use of AI will greatly enhance into it, anticipate the moments of the people. So like in the future, that we can use the artificial intelligence to even anticipate the moments of the certain specific people, and we can program it onto the some way that it will also give us the cognitive simulations and entertainment. And this is a major important factor that I want to like describe again. It will cognitive stimulations and entertainment can be provided to an elder persons based upon their personal choice of interest. Like many people's one many people like different various kinds of things, so it can be specifically designed that can cater to the requirements of a specific person. And it's also going to contribute further for the zero technology study, and this zero technology study is the elder people plus technology combined together, zero technology. So it is going to aid, and how it is going to aid is all the data that is provided through the applications are massive, and we can have a great lots of from the data. We can model the data and analyze it to make it even further better for the next coming upcoming generations. So the tool used to for the design of the business model canvas is Canva, and which is a very much pretty graphics tools. And for the IoT and the application interface, this I have used the Adobe Photoshop for the creation of it. And okay, now let's come to the conclusion that this is a very advanced technology, and we can say that this technology currently is very much important in the life of an elder peoples, and it can be advanced further. And it is also with a massive amount of data that can be collected from it. It can highly contribute for the study of zero technology. It can also develop a new understanding for a very systematic progress, and most of all, it will bring inclusiveness in the society for older people. And this system will really help to enhance the quality of a life of an older peoples, whether they are living on the homes with their families or living alone, or they are living in some kinds of a care homes or some kinds of a medical institutions. It's all the way benefit to use these applications with the, and this application does not have any kinds of a negative impacts also. So this is the proposed idea that we have developed for this presentation. And thank you very much, and Merry Christmas to you. Bye bye.